Hey y'all, so I was just looking. We are 9 days away from being here two years on YouTube. Well, hey little girl. Well, this little rascal, hey, look at me. Well, that one there, I had to bottle feed her as a puppy. And out of all, how many were 6? She was the only one that lived. She's one of Papa's curs that he's had around here. And I'd like to say hello to my 9, 10, 11 subscribers, I think, new subscribers. This is what we do up here. Turn gas on, yes. This is what we do. This is what we do up here. We farm with old farmalls. This is a 47 Farmall A. And today is the last day of Sounds of Spring. get out of gear. Ah. Kamikaze attacked by a bug. Right in the eardrum. Dang. Got it. Oh, that's the spot. I don't want to get right in there, right over there. Well, there's a septic tank right there. And that ground soft right there, so I don't want to get this tractor hung up down in there. There she is. Ah. Guys, I'm gonna run in there and grab my stand real quick. Well, guys, what, Nanny? Okay. Well, guys, Nanny sent me out here to get the barbecue, and I grabbed the barbecue sauce instead of the barbecue. Right there. Up here at Yace's place. We always have good food. We got a whole freezer full. Good aim right there. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I grabbed my stand. I was going to do something. I was going to sit down and talk to y'all a minute. Set up here. don't you do it. Okay guys, so what I was wanting to tell y'all was every time I say something like that, Henry barks, and then there's Roscoe. So guys, what I was trying to get at, you done? Dogs. So guys, what I was trying to get at is, I'm gonna be at Tri-County this August. So shoot, I gotta move. Hang on there, I gotta back the camera out. The whole stand. Just 1 second here. What if I come in right there? Yeah, that'll work. Look out, man. That's where my allergies up when it done. Cutting. Goodness gracious. Yeah. So, I'll be going to Tri-County Technical College in Pendleton, South Carolina, which is about 25 minutes away from my place. And guys, I know y'all want to meet me and stuff, but please stay calm when y'all see me. Come here, Luke. Because when I was down there Monday, one of y'all saw me, and how can I put this? Well, just a second, guys. Well, when he saw me, he kinda, there we go, now y'all can see me. See, yeah, I'm doing everything by myself. Come here, Luke. Luke, you can come back now. Come here, girl, come on. Well, when he saw me, his eyes got big as saucers, and he's looking at me. Yes, Papa.
Thought you couldn't drive.
I already did that.
Huh?
I already took care of that. Boy, if Papa wanted me to go down there and cut. Well, I was trying to tell y'all was, if y'all gonna see me, just come up and tell me quietly. Not quietly, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Hey, Luke. So when I was down there Monday, that was, yesterday, and one of my subscribers, one of y'all saw me, and his eyes got big as, what in the world happened to you? Got big as saucers. And I was looking, he was looking at me, and well, I'm in my dad's old army shirt that says Bullions on it, wearing a ball cap, this ball cap, these blue jeans and a pair of Converse tennis shoes. Yes, I'm sticking out like a sore thumb, and I'm going like, oh snap, I'm busted. So anyway, yeah, that's about the time I almost got busted again. Why did you have to grow up so quick, Lou? Huh? Hard-headed rascal here. But what a good way to end off Sounds of Spring. Second year for it. Every time I turn around, they're laying off a row out without telling me. But I'm glad I got Sounds of Spring done this year. We'd have been done with it last year. This year we'd have been done with it a week ago. But we just started in April, earlier this month, April 1st. Again, I can tell you, it's going good. So next thing on the list is our big 2-year anniversary here on YouTube, and then there's that A sounds good, don't it? Then after we fix that rusted H down there, we're going to have Straight Pipe Sunday, and then after that it's going to be Farm All Week, and then there's going to be Truck Week. And then we'll get back started on the Red H here. Other than that, that'll be it. But oh, this shade's been handy. Other than that, that's gonna be it, guys. After we get that H going, I don't know about Farm All Fall this year. The way everything's looking, I don't know if I'll be able to do it yet or not, because I'm going to Tech. I'm going to school this fall. College. Trades. Tri-County Tech. I'm going to Tech school this year, so anyway. We'll see how that turns out. I know I'm going to like it, so. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all some point. So, anyway, I'll see y'all at some point. I'll see y'all this week, and I hope y'all have enjoyed my videos I made this morning and last night. So, and we'll see what happens. So, we'll see what happens this fall, because I hope Farm All Fall will come in handy. But anyway, I'll see y'all later.